Namaste to all. Welcome back to an article a day creates an excellent way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skills. I am Rajiv, a student of class 12, Kendriya Vidyalaya Malkangiri. I am going to read out today's article to you. Here is today's article.
Strong policies on black carbon can sharply cut glacier melt, says World Bank. This article has been written by G. Ananthakrishnan and published in the Hindu newspaper. Enacting new policies can achieve benefits over the projected 23% reduction in black carbon as a result of ongoing efforts. Black carbon (BC) deposits produced by human activity which accelerate the pace of glacier and snowmelt in the Himalayan region can be sharply reduced through new currently feasible policies by an additional 50% from current levels. New research by World Bank specialists has said. The research report from World Bank covers the Himalaya, Karakoram and Hindu Kush mountain ranges where it says glaciers are melting faster than the global average ice melt. The rate of retreat of Hindu Kush glaciers is estimated to be 0.3 meters per year in the west to 1.0 meters per year in the east. Black carbon adds to the impact of climate change. Full implementation of current policies to mitigate black carbon can achieve a 23% reduction, but enacting new policies and incorporating them through regional cooperation among countries can achieve enhanced benefits, the World Bank said in its research report titled Glaciers of the Himalaya, Climate Change, Black Carbon and Regional Resilience, released on Thursday. Black carbon is a short-lived pollutant that is the second largest contributor to warming the planet behind carbon dioxide. Unlike other greenhouse gas emissions, black carbon is quickly washed out and can be eliminated from the atmosphere if emission stops. The publication says, unlike historical carbon emissions, it is also a localized source with a greater local impact. Cutting black carbon. Some of the ongoing policy measures to cut black carbon emissions are enhancing fuel efficiency standards for vehicles, phasing out diesel vehicles and promoting electric vehicles, accelerating the use of liquefied petroleum gas for cooking and through clean cookstove programs, as well as upgrading brick kiln technologies, says the publication. Edited by Muthukumara Mani, lead economist, South Asia region, World Bank. However, with all existing measures, water from glacier melt is still projected to increase in absolute volume by 2040, with impacts on downstream activities and communities. At a virtual panel discussion on release of report, Hartwig Schaffer, Vice President, South Asia region, World Bank Group, said regional integration and collaboration was one way to address the question of melting glaciers. The research done by the team brought new perspective to reduction of black carbon emissions in the region. Deposits of black carbon act in two ways, hastening the pace of glaciers melt by decreasing surface reflectance on sunlight and by raising air temperature, the researchers point out. Specifically in the Himalayas, reducing black carbon emissions from cookstoves, diesel engines and open burning would have the greatest impact and could significantly reduce radiative forcing and help to maintain a greater portion of Himalayan glacier system. More detailed modeling at a higher spatial resolution is needed to expand on the work already completed, it says, calling upon regional government to review policies on water management with an emphasis on basin-based regulation and use of price signals for efficiency, carefully planning and use of hydropower to reflect changes in water flows and availability, and increasing the efficiency of brick kilns through proven technologies. There must also be greater knowledge sharing in the region. The World Bank publication says industry, primary brick kilns, and residential burning of solid fuel together account for 45 to 66% of regional anthropogenic, means man-made, black carbon deposition, followed by on-road diesel fuels 7 to 18% and open burning less than 3% in all seasons in the region. There are almost 55,000 glaciers in the Hindu Kush mountains and they store more fresh water than any other region outside the north and south poles. The glaciers contain estimated ice reserves of 163 cubic kilometers, of which almost 80% feeds the Indus, the Ganges and the Brahmaputra The report says glacier melt produces flash floods, landslides, soil erosion, and glacier lake outburst floods (GLOF). And in the short run, the higher volumes of meltwater could replace receding groundwater downstream. But in the long run, decreased water availability would aggravate water shortage. Special words that have been taken from current article are mitigate, erosion, aggravate. Mitigate means makes something bad less severe, serious, or painful. Erosion. Erosion is the geographical process in which earthen materials are worn away and transported by natural forces such as wind or water. Aggravate. Aggravate means make a problem, injury, or offense worse or more serious. Second meaning is annoy. Thank you.
Akshay, do you drink